At number 2, many people in life will tell you to be more than what you've become. Many people will tell you to be the best that you can be, which is a very American statement. We have a different message for you. Decide to be the very best that you already are. Just be yourself. Be successful by being yourself. How do we do that? There's a very, very simple way of doing it. Decide that there's 3 things. First of all, go out and show unconditional love, respect, and kindness and warmth to everyone you meet, including and especially yourself. Including and especially yourself. The second, and by the way, no matter what, and by the way, this solves the big worry that most of us have. What do other people think of us? What do people think of us? Can I just tell you something again for the last time? Can you come towards the camera? I've got a secret to tell you. Ollie, come towards the camera. Good man. People don't spend that much time thinking about you, with all due respect. They're too worried about what you think of them. It doesn't matter what people think of you. If somebody comes up to you and says, hey, do you know what? I've heard that Mike hates you. It doesn't matter, because you respect Mike. You'll never worry about anything ever again, as long as you give unconditional love and respect and kindness to other people, no matter how they are towards you. At number 2, notice. Just notice stuff. Instead of falling into this trap the mind wants us to associate this, well, that means this, that means that. Just spend a day, tomorrow perhaps, noticing. I don't know what time zone you are up north, but basically if you're in a similar time zone, yes, the joke, Karen. Yeah, just notice stuff. And when you notice stuff, the third thing to do is basically to live in the moment. And I'll share with you how to live in a moment in a moment. For now, when you notice, you start to notice amazing things. This little book was given by our daughter at the beginning of lockdown. And she said, Daddy, I want you to write down 3 amazing things that happen to you every single day. And I thought, yeah, okay. You know, I write about this stuff. I should be able to find 3 things. I couldn't find 3 every day. I have found the most... Did I mute myself?
Yes, you muted yourself.
Where did I get to?
You'd said struggle to find 3 things every day.
How did I do that? I'm not a technology genius, but I managed to mute myself. You muted me, didn't you, Karen? You suddenly went, get rid of him. Okay, so this is a little book that my daughter gave me, and she said, find 3 things every day that are amazing. And I couldn't find 3. Every single day, I basically have written down loads of stuff. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be I mean, I happen to have this lying around, but I mean, any book will do. I think that in life, we often record our plans, don't we? We think about our plans all the time. What about recording our achievements? What about recording our achievements? And also at number 2, living in the moment. And for the second and final time, I'm going to share with everyone talks about living in the moment, the power of now. Now is all there is. Befriend with the present. There are all these books are out there. I'm going to share with you exactly how to live in the moment, not by telling you how, but by you actually experiencing it. The biggest thing that stops us living in the moment is this inner voice we have that chats and chats and chats and chats, and it's always telling us off. I don't know if any of you have that inner voice. By the way, you're all nodding. Yeah, thank you. But if you're not nodding and you're thinking, I don't have an inner voice, that's the one. It's the one that's lying to you now. I don't exist, he's a nutter, ignore him. What we're going to do now is I'm going to ask you to close your eyes in a moment. I'm going to give you a technique that will quieten your inner voice, and I'm going to give you 9 words that will say, you can share to yourself anytime, that will bring you instant peace and calm. And because of the voice I've used, and because of the words I've just used as well, this will happen automatically. Because I'm sure you've worked out by now, Jackie, that I'm using a mixture of conscious and subconscious conversation. So first of all, I'd like you all please to close your eyes, and I'd like you to acknowledge that inner voice. Just acknowledge it right now. And now we're going to quieten it in complete silence. with complete belief and love, I'd like you to say to your voice right now in complete silence, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And it is going quiet. And it will go quiet. And it's gone. And with your eyes closed, I'd like you to say to yourself, I allow this moment to be as it is. I allow this moment to be as it is. Now please open your eyes. I know China's not the coolest place on earth at the moment, although Trump is helping it hugely by sharing with us tonight that he's taking some, I don't know, laxative or toilet cleaner. I don't know what it is he's taking, but he believes in it. I'm not making a political comment here, but we know China very well. We have an office in China, and we're very big fans with many people in China. And